Hi guys, so I'm compiling a succulent soil comparison series and reviewing 4 succulent soil mixes. The succulent soil I'll be reviewing in this video is the Bonsai Cactus and Succulent mix. I ordered this online, and when you receive this in the mail, it'll come in a box like this. Let me tell you guys, this box is heavy. The price for this is $39.85, and the size that I purchased is the 3.5 gallon bag or 13.24 liters. And $39.85 for this at the time of purchase from Amazon. This might cost cheaper when purchased from their website directly, but I'm not sure of shipping charges. It comes with this chopstick potting tool and this little plastic clip or tab to close the bag. So if you've never seen this mix before, as soon as you take it out of the box, you know it's different from other succulent soil mixes you've used. It does not even look like potting mix. It looks more like something you would use as topsoil. Product description from the website says, ultra-fast draining design, helps prevent root rot and overwatering, contains no heavy potting soil ingredients such as sphagnum or peat moss. Proven #1 seller, optimized pH of 5.5, perfect for succulents, cactus, bonsai, and other acid-loving plants. I will list the ingredients here. So let me scoop up some, and as you can see, these are big particles. It actually even smells kind of good. It has a faint earthy campfire smell, if that makes sense. You can tell they use top quality ingredients. See how big all the particles are. This is going to be super fast draining. In fact, this might be a little too fast draining for my liking. I tend to keep my succulents pretty dry and frankly run into problems with underwatering sometimes. So I can tell right off the bat that I would have problems with my succulents being too dry when using this mix product alone. Is to add some succulent potting soil that I have and mix them together, about a 1-to-1 solution. The reason is I need some water retention, not a lot, but some for my plants to draw from. I'm just telling you how I would use this product. I'm not recommending you do the same. I can see how this product would be great for those people who run into problems with overwatering or having wet succulents all the time, or for those who live in a really humid climate. I'm not doubting the quality of this product, but like me, some of you may need to adjust this a bit to make it work for you. So that's all I have. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos related to this topic. I'll have a playlist in the description box for this soil series. Please like and subscribe if these are the types of videos you'd like to watch. It'll really help us out with YouTube's algorithm. Bye!